Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Learning English can be fun, and today I have a wonderful story to share with you. It is called A Cup of Tea. This story will not only entertain you but also help you improve your English. Let's get started. Emma walks into her favorite cafe. It's a small, cozy place with soft music and the smell of fresh coffee. She orders a latte and finds a corner seat by the window. She opens her book and begins reading. After a while, the cafe door opens, and a young man walks in. He looks around, holding a laptop bag. Emma notices him but quickly looks back at her book. The man orders a cappuccino and sits at the table next to her. Emma turns the page. She accidentally knocks her cup of coffee. The latte spills onto the table and drips onto the floor. "Oh no," Emma says, grabbing tissues. The man at the next table stands up quickly. "Let me help you," he says with a warm smile. "Thanks you," Emma says, feeling a little embarrassed. They clean the table together. The man asks, "Are you okay?" "Yes, just a little clumsy today," Emma replies, laughing nervously. He smiles. "Don't worry, it happens to everyone. By the way, I am Jack." "Hi Jack, I am Emma," she says. Jack glances at her book. "That's a great book. I read it last year." "You did?" "It's my favorite," Emma says, her face lighting up. They begin talking about the book. The conversation flows naturally, and Emma forgets about the spilled coffee. "Do you come here often?" Jack asks. "Yes, it's my favorite spot to read," Emma replies. "What about you?" "This is my first time here," Jack says. "I just moved to the neighborhood." "Welcome to the arena," Emma says. "It's a nice place." "Nice to meet you too, Jack," Emma replies. Jack hesitates for a moment. "Would you like to grab coffee again sometime?" "Maybe without the spilling part," he says with a laugh. Emma smiles. "I'd like that." Jack writes his number on a napkin and hands it to her. "See you soon, Emma," he says, walking out of the cafe. Emma watches him leave, feeling a little flutter in her chest. She looks at the napkin and smiles. Maybe today wasn't so clumsy after all, she thinks.